In this video, I will show you how to find Clipboard on Android phone. So let's suppose that we want to copy a text. Simply click and hold on to the text, then click on copy. Right after that, wherever you want to paste the text, simply click on it. Then click on where you type the message. Now here you can find it is already attached to the clipboard. You can send it again, or if you open this and type where the message is, you can find this clipboard icon here. Simply click on it. Here you can find your recent clipboard items. And not just in messages, you can just go to your keep notes. Simply click on this clipboard icon, and if it is not here, what you can do is click on this 4 dotted lines menu bar. If you do it, this page will open. Now you can access the clipboard again. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.